How will the quickening factory price growth affect China's economy in mid-2026? The answer could reshape global markets and your wallet in surprising ways. When factory prices rise quickly, it signals that the cost of raw materials and manufacturing inputs is increasing. For China, this means companies might face tighter profit margins unless they pass costs to consumers. This can trigger inflation domestically, making everyday goods more expensive for Chinese citizens. But it also reflects stronger demand or supply constraints, which can indicate economic momentum. So this quickening growth is a double-edged sword for China's economy. China is a global manufacturing hub, and many countries rely on its exports. When factory prices climb, export prices tend to rise too. This makes Chinese goods more expensive abroad, risking a drop in demand. Especially in mid-2026, if global inflation pressures ease elsewhere, buyers might seek cheaper alternatives. However, China's strong supply chains and product quality can help offset some price hikes, but the margin for competitiveness narrows. To counteract sharp factory price increases, China's government often steps in with monetary or fiscal tools. They might tighten credit to cool overheating sectors or invest in supply chain improvements to reduce costs. These policy moves aim to stabilize prices without stalling growth. In mid-2026, how these measures balance inflation control with economic expansion will be crucial for both China and the global economy. Because China is a major consumer of raw materials, faster factory price growth hints at rising input costs for industries worldwide. Commodities like steel, copper, and oil may see price jumps, affecting production costs globally. Additionally, inflationary pressures in China can spill over to trade partners through higher prices and disrupted supply chains. So the factory price trend in China is not just a local story, it's a global economic signal. The quickening factory price growth in China by mid-2026 will shape inflation, exports, and policy decisions that ripple across the globe. Understanding this trend helps you see the bigger economic picture behind price tags and news headlines. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.